As an adjunct to your Tai Chi training, you might want to spend a little bit of time, if you're interested in making the movements a little bit more powerful, just to have your partner with some pads. And this way you can practice the movements slowly and make sure that you have the right distance, the right timing, and then increase the striking so that you start working up to a nice pace. So this can be done for any of the movements, say brush knee. We have the hand coming down to strike, making sure that your feet are nice and balanced, your center is comfortable, you're sinking when you strike, and then you can increase the speed of the movement and increase the power of the movement, trying to stay relaxed and loose as you go. There we go. Thank you very much. So pushing hands is a sensitivity exercise, but also an exercise so you can test your structure, make sure the structure is nice and strong. And when it's done a bit more freely, it's done so that you learn how to keep your own balance while taking somebody else's balance, either by pulling or pushing the person back, or maybe unbalancing with a little push to the side, using movements like rollback, something like that, or pushing there. And there's also China applications, which is the locking applications. So we take an arm and lock the person down to the ground, again using the movement of rollback.